Ever had that moment where your Android phone shows no signal just when you need it most? Don't worry, I've got 6 simple tips to help you boost your signal and stay connected. Tip number 1. Turn on Wi-Fi calling. If your mobile network struggles indoors, Wi-Fi calling lets your phone use your home internet to make calls, so no more dropped calls in the living room. Tip 2. Keep your phone charged. Did you know a low battery can weaken your phones, and a charged phone isn't just happier? It's stronger at grabbing signal. Tip 3. Avoid overheating. When your device gets too hot, the hardware inside slows down, and that includes the antenna. So if your phone's baking in the sun, give it a break to cool down. Tip 4. Hold your phone upright. If you're covering the antennas with your hand, your signal gets blocked. So keep it upright and uncovered for the best connection. Tip 5. Stay away from metal objects when making calls. Metal can interfere with signal reception. So if you're leaning on a fridge or holding your phone near a metal desk, move a little away. And finally, tip 6. Use an open window indoors. Walls and roofs can weaken signal, but stepping closer to a window can instantly give you a stronger connection. There you go. 6 quick tips to keep your Android signal strong. Try these out and never miss an important call again. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more mobile hacks, and share this with someone who's always complaining about bad signal.